ho mamintie Benab defender no Isaac Mensa kwani omfa so nya mentality ho so masa ye pusu Kotoko a betuma hye mo na ampaniampa mo hye Kotoko by 2-1
game ni na tough ye ban na na mentality ni say union ye ban na na aboy ho dada ye tan omo bonti mentality na ni say e be union draw kra na mpe e ko ji she trim say ye nya had ne mbobo ni ti mentality e de ba ye no
game no na den na say nye den ye normal game am
edi Kotoko de obi say omo ye tough opponent ti ye ban na na mentality the game na edi by be try possible be say e betime edikun
ase bebre so if you say Kotoko modern no mo answer dan brebe na for ase mo fa ni say normal division 2 game am mo ba mo say omo 2-1
omo tie chentra bonde onya park no so say omo ye tough omo e de omo obi bi ase be mentality na e de ba na strong enti na timi ni omo boy
ene ye owieye ena Kotoko supporters say ma hye ena wakasa mama yeso ye kwan na ye de ya na nim ade e fence preseason kugo ni ba ye betu dwa na me gina na so we de montombo asakakra.
Technically, yes, supporters, we don't want to involve ourselves. The person for the past 2 weeks or about or no home, and then next year, I don't want to mention names.
Bobby Mary.
And excuse me, I don't want to go there. And our coach also, there's what they out. The German free hand. The problem one say between our supporters, no. Especially our home matches in our numbers. That is the ultimate person they achieve coming season.
Sanya ya beshe na akwese ya beshe Bruni non sano ni awo ya betme ba na mahu say o team na opese oyibi na odi bibeshim enu ntino ya hu bibi a yesunku bia be nim how I say obe select boys no na hu wo mo a o be the core of the ono ni team a obe use ama o mo abo because ni ehwe ni na die aye dada no a bibia from my I say obi a be so na ho odi ahwe na ya hu kwaye be fa so a obe select good ones no na odi o mo aye adwuma me ni amanfo ka say ye che ho no ni nyina ya exercise aye because afen na Bruni no obe select few ones na ope na wa hu ba bia sinto wo ansa na wa feel ba bia sinto no beba because they say no who position obe ka say Bruni no nko famra unless owie exercise a o ye wie e ma ye hu say ohia we enti no ye be lack this position enti no position we na say no obi obe ka champion for say o feel ho a e be boa team no animu idia ye be sre ye chita for no ene obi a o ye Kotoko chitani se onya botre na ye hwe coach no na on pick boys no ma ye hunu ba bia sinto no beba and sana or call for any sign ya obey
no credit ye ba ko pe me ba be hwe ye boy ye money e wo form no credit unhu practice bia formation bia media crop bia kuma siasa no prayer ben so penese ka omo
e bi le for players be a
me go keep on there as worker na defender no dia me see defender me pese obetem e Zakaria Fuseni dia say me hu asem kra make because mum ye bra and na bona mum boy no any information me say Sakia bobo kra na nkomo say kra nke no ma because boy dia bobo eye dia ube elusu ba na Kotoko boy na obon unhu information bia unhu dia oyi ne hom dia na kofa dogu ya kukubu e da so Kotoko dogu ya kubu me Kotoko kukura me say me mo boy na me say me yem me training sa dogu ya ku metu no ye be sempenifo se na mo be Kotoko ni dia enkoye mayo mo me bra o mo nyanyem maye because na boy ni dia anyema mfa enkoye mafoka fra tontu 50 cedi abetna bo bia mo bo mo me wura se me ku adwuma mtwini ye kwa twetwem adentra mo ye yesa
yeah in fact yes started about 2 weeks ago no how men's when they think technical team almost etimi by and then some of the players have exposed themselves it ye jama ye supporters leadership no yet to me and come match though or he say team no dia but you say you be mobilize supporters no normal cost stadium in our numbers yeah but and then no yaba aba behwe ye jama bibia ama technical head no come out with or no recommendation
good inti Zach ye see ye e wo pajo no nti game no ne vesa o ma ye nim bebre e be ko mo go no we first goal na Kotoko de na o de take kan 1-1 no from Philip Amu eno na e be sa coach de sia na ti de Kotoko de take kan obi anim so ma wie ne se e be pon ya Benab e bo modern enya second goal no ma no ko ye 2-1 na mo amubusa no de tie ne se Tinkler Edip Danlad Ibrahim ne di kan edemu Emmanuel Kote Patrick Esiedu Joseph Amua Musa Hamzata Abdul Kadir that player of free Ivory Coast good and Inusa Adams Lawson Chemenu yewo Morfin Donzo Isaac Owusu Ajmai ana sanode Owusu Ajmai that former Ashanti Gold player no two kwai no ono so na ho de ahwe wa Asante na was that game no and a Bismarck Ofori first 11er everything clear edijina mu eno no nemum Aziz Dari former Bichim goalie no obaya saves me sabi abrantem be ye no obi asori no obon nsem de man shia na we go na Danlad ka consider ne dia say na anomere bra nya ne ye wanya ne ye nti moma na time why ebe fa samu am Danlad no nti Aziz ebe yi Danlad Zakaria Fuseni by Hubert Jew Prince Bedu Walid Nema Emmanuel Entry Saka Dauda Philip Amo Hilary Adabo Dogo Yakubu Isaac Menta Johnson upon omunyina no Tinkler Emma omonso eba ebeye bia came ni wie no na Kotoko Edin Kuguo by 2-1 in fact the nka ho ana yes Zach me fa nka ho ma oh me fa nka ho ma na wutisi mu a because abre no and ebe fa course kakra na Zach ze someone like Bishia koye Stellenbosch FC ayo mo player anasa munu na wie ne sika sam krado bibia na Zach minamwa ene sade pressure si ko branch no ne family so no den nemsa na ha supporters ni bi wogidie se e bi okwa nka enye no asaba back no monya no because goalkeeper ndie no kwasem no mo pe no nemu omuya odie ni nyina masa be dio sabi minim de o kansem hunu ana de o kesen cheze o mama na platform and na boy na disappoint o mo akosan e de ama Stellenbosch FC o South Africa nti yes agbeshi e na eda so no ti se die ase minim na asemwe no Zach wi ameka me die wo ba bi a radio cry wom na na no propenyi bi frame me yonko bi akobi brana ba je platform say platform na ye dey mo dia mo so platform ne to wia ye to wio hipa hia cash ko Zach tuei nkrano so di na da nkrano so ya no kan say kra yaro Zach wo we masa yaro so no pa enye platform na what is no cash ni dey accent the eba no Zach ma me fa minu we ma na no other stories for media mane Black Queens hu nsem nyina wa habat Kotoko game no and the house supporters ne penufoni bi kachre Solomon Agbashi so we mo disappoint we mu papa say yaman platform na wo twa na chi e de ahwe wo mo akọ South Africa yenkoi
tino asamo platform
so platform mudi amana wi nti ade na ayo mo sa
o man platform
na say no kwan so Zach no do sana say ya na nya no wodin de ba na nti say de oba yi o
asa man platform
o man platform
o ma mo bia platform
ono ana ato no ho
he's oton ho kra da
but what could the house na e kan ho e ma mo say
oton
club ka say to say house na woda
sir Agbeshi in terms of here the go Kroma ni Magbeshi more for the ball out there at Dreams FC. Arameboa. Yenim Solomon Agbeshi for the performance since that or put it up Tamano or Dreams FC. Not at House of Oak. You understand? Yehu Agbeshi, there is no platform has beat me the Agbeshi bigger than playing at the semi-final of the CAF Confederations Cup. Platform BNY has been Nkrumah since our stage, you know. Or the CAF Confederations Cup semi-final. So what I say? We are South African, Obia, Air Solomon Agbeshi.
And so done with dreams.
Yeah, but you say, stage, you know, what that super sports so dear
me you told them to say you okay can do so ko da ma mo
eti obi anja na platform asem. You see, has engine to say they did a bad job on Solomon Agbeshi. Amateur player, let me say come here. Amateur player, but in the Ghana, if only it's amateur, you don't own your share of people. So near the station, just the easiest. So that's what I say. And if I'm going to take Captain Siasia and Omon because I believe them, say no credit. Say Omono no, as any 3-year contract be a done. Almost any contract be no. The boy should have been to say in the race station here. You got to say how much you. Like you don't need to know the kind of registration I'm wearing the system no more. Ni yan say Obed na say you know sign a contract no sign it and one what 3-year contract. Who the an say
anti one person just man sasanka e be obvious say no sign na yes I know mature.
No, like the registration. You understand? Because contract it are 2 or 3 years was signing. Who sign we are? You don't have any rule to play again in the registration because system they are only uploading your contract into the system. Player no only any physical rule to play again. Meaning that the TMS system said that there has in here to register him no. The written contract no my year or must sign no must scan it. Almost scan ya no matter or my upload no in the system. So Solomon Agbeshi doesn't need to have any physical presence for the registration. And you say obi amateur on par and only uploading the contract no. So you don't upload the contract and the house cannot upload some contract now Solomon sign here no. That contract cannot be uploaded in the system. And I form them for the TDN form now. Omu ye na oda work upload the yes oda kotum. And no na me say enti no na unyi say omo boy no pa aye in the known. Say ye go ko the was amateur player or sign the contract be na no uni na wie. As how you register him no emfa no ho. So
boy no hu ne ha no.
No like say ohun ye na we take advantage of it no. Knowing and no how he was registered no and want take advantage and nyame na dom onya blasters collab eti saa nyama we nyina no emma ne value ekosoro and the abo no and we do bia wakodu no eti mo mo nyɛ supported him you see the omo ye nya no mo ye emotional analysis. They are doing emotional discussion. They are doing emotional appealing. But only emotional aspect in it through no about the real professional ones that you doing common. Emotionally, men you say, oh, enka quite fast so and no tina idea na free injury ba. Na yesu so mu kwaya watara ne wo fa wo se ne ba ene wo nante ye kwaya fa so convince has for because time has esa no munya sure of so bet me recover asi da mu biom but omu take it risk no ene the emotional aspect of sa nkomode we nyina no enti sa sa de oh na say boy no hwe eno. Then the other part, that is the professional aspect, no? And say, Agbeshi is a footballer. You know, a player who was rising to blasters. On my metal has bench beam. So my number 2 to Frederick Benjamin Asare. And see, some part now on your sure of whether Benjamin Asare is moving or not. Now I make a say more. I say that minim Asare what he has
because some mobile some come on stand no asmo busa no no obeso hu ne faith won timi ntra say asem kan Asare be sa transia de bia no go so te bench
Meaning that those who are handling Benjamin Asare, they can once say one of the difficult transfers are all goalkeepers. I'm transfer any pa.
Open club more.
Eddie pa.
Okay.
Who's the goalkeepers and you're like defenders. So for
we hear best a 5 we are say
we have 4 to start. And sa 4 ni na no. Unye obiara so deputy inti. Echi onkwa unye 8 players. Moford. So I have 4 unye 8. Eti like but how dey omo chances are limited
to heavy
it a movement and also no keep back so where they are
beda yeah Liverpool lesson
beda sir
that very bad still what that's
so it's the transfer there a bit kakra but for the deputy not on the be to be able to get a move and go away and go now the first choice and that's what one to tell you why I'm saying the handlers of Asare
okay
so mo show mo answer omo de sa no waka league mu
bra Kotoko dey so me na ayi Michael again say me shift here na so Michael me dey ma shift say me no dey good dwa na za ka fa ba ako to e dey na wo ba Kotoko so vi say bia eja me here bese o say Kotoko lost to a friendly against a lower tier side in preseason though the results don't matter too much. Tino is diverting attention with Agbichi, but Emfa. When you made them divert, you only have one to train. Zach, you're quite
Omunya, but you know, Omunya said, Brunin, Yane,
pressure and what
I'm a lady, 10 minutes because he has a family to take care of. What I say, and our future. If he say, send him, yes, I'm a go. And he said, if us cannot guarantee him starting 11 now, we'll find
the same time, also crowds the council crowds are calling him.
Exactly that point. You know, Ghana, you see, in Menkes, the Duana,
that yes,
and Tibola said, and it's also nimble shit. Yandu Duana and Tibola, but I said, yeah, Bobby, a bonnet, a DHD by Antibon. I say, you see, you understand why teams, you know, I'm prison, I'm person, you know, I'm if you know,
or the Kobe, no pressure winner.
Well, from this unnecessary pressure. Unema, and then able like able. And yes, Omoko Honum, Lakosha boy, you know. They didn't know the offender saying, Ejuma, Kotoko. They are aware, set coach, you know. MP the place in the door, coach near day. MP. A can't come back a place in common. What see ya? And I have said, Mamma money. Now, because I'm captain because the level 11.
Tis him, yes, you should be. No, I don't know what you're saying.
You know, Ebby, I don't need by level 11 day, or be enemy. And to my mother, Bonamon near share. And to play the you know very well, said, do not among coach and I can't walk among kind of plans. But because of how people pleaded and spoke, no, I say, okay. Everyone, 11. On money. Eti, you are where says a place, you do no more to say last year, Uncle Ye. Until movies a young Papa Mokra. And a quote to Frabana, he just giving them opportunity to prove, say, they should stay or not. Latino say, only Benabo first preseason game, no shower.
But now, also, who is when you're back here, do division or 2 on
Division 2.
Division 2. But what baby are,
and I'm no more almost
and I make
almost bare 4 years in the Afibia 17 or 20 players.
No more 22 shattered bueno, oh, Etwana, Aquanzak. Yes, I want to captain U17 class as
me say Afibia
on their band good.
Our player ever U17 and U20. So it tells you about the quality of that Benab team.
Yeah.
Whatever quality that they have, in a very serious game, Kotoko should beat them. But we are trying to the quality that is in that Benab team. That is number one. And I'm against a team. I'm more official or one yard. Coach them pamphlets in the but just that before they play, say they should give them the chance to prove themselves. Team then say first preseason game. And
what lose you did the lose my can
the commentary around it. What is it?
What lose quite the man can
my man Eric Tinkler.
Where's the can go now?
Okay, we didn't go no.
We didn't go. Yeah, we didn't go.
Tinkler and Menzo. The opposite of you. They should bold and do it. Eh? So Omuma, Kroma say.
You can't do much. You was I we
ya front to ma. Ne ba ne pacho. Kroma say ngwane o a friend is saying, oh, fi Saturday we. Yeah, go pacho. Now to hine. But no front to no the nim o kwa pacho. Omo anye focus na omo and live by what they want to do. Now mama Kroma say for it me they will deviate from what they want to do. Eh? Okay. But should for team now 2018 so okay team na pa. Ni eji ofri.
Nkomo no.
Ni eji ofri na ba. Division 1. What man me starter. Ayi nkum ne efan saying. Harrison. So I. Nkum. Say Harrison ne Jordan the free. Wafa. No more low division then. Ti asem ni yo mpese isi. Ye pese nkofo me nkofo adwene ekosi bibi so.
Na unuamra.
Exceptional young talents who always survive at Kotoko. Enti se papa no o ma ba na mo fi se mpemfo no nya dia. Momo bia ndada mo se nkola ntimi mbobo.
San koto yen.
Angelique en famo Kotoko.
Sizi bia to 20 no apam.
Me say Bashiri effort. Ade I find saying Eric Niba Nkum Harrison Afu Jordan Opoku Eric Nieje sa Angelique Akwafu Sadam no Kotoboku no free bench but no
Mahala Mahala free iba
so Sadam Abaku no free fan no free buy ti mane US ni so who Liberty ball out of Lions yes so you see he came and assembled about 6 or 7 young exceptional talent. I know the experience of Oseko Formo. Now Max yes. So or say how Max a young boy from.
I don't quite yes.
So I know this experience take a care a fry na odinya results.
I want see the almost young yanto.
Tamna moba no. Stanley ubaya no. Mpacho mun translate man the no English no on
Obeto mo catch no.
Stanley ubaya no. You came with a vision say mu dwegu. No match with exceptional young talent. Mpe for no kakara mo yaade no. Na mo de mo afra nkola no. Na mo de abobo no. Mama me mistake e man dada mo say the Kroma say unti fan nkola ntele mo boa.
I'm supposed to na eka.
You see Ombeka and the fan nkola league I am tro. Bashir effort e de nkola beji league Kroma say ebo bola na me see me I'm saying since then you who be do.
Ebe sa season na no.
Sa Bashir ball na boy no. You who be do Kroma say since then. Quality football at the highest level.
Okay.
They should go by what they came to do. And they said almost scout to exceptional young talent. Not senior guys na ono no. Kakana me fra. Eti ade ba call me Kotoko comedy ace no. Communication. Sa PR na omunni no. Because see by now the message out there should be say ye dwiegu. Ye be hihye ni ye. Na supporter any like he should know. Enyama mu ye ni manu ya. Send me say you compare results eba obefa.
Empire.
Yes, you are burdened.
Obed.
Team no enye. We are burdened. And burdened you with exceptional young talent.
Okay.
With 1 or 2 senior guys krebi. No they are burdened. But I want to hear my supporters no I'm on deviate from the purpose and the reason why they came to Kumasi.
Okay. Nana, God bless you. Also sharing from Germany. Community about Zakitu. We know it's preseason, but the players are still showing below average performance and the lack of transfer of players into Kotoko. Koju Obed Nedia Ode Amayenon. Hey, Zakitu, you are indeed anti-Hasufuk. Why was Agushino sold after Confederation Cup? On which platform was he invited to the Blasters and the World Cup? Zakitu, I'm disappointed in you. You are okay. Wait, Jerry appear and also Eddie and no. Michael Aji will message Waha. I'm quite coming out. Yeah, quick one.
Agbeshi. He won't come here because surprise. It's all like say after vision Confederation Cup no. Not fear on your view. He was going to move. And I go on pitch ball. And then I made it. And I could buy it. And we by information. Yes, we are not otifie no one team be are not na one ask for no.
Okay.
Or book sa fan and we semi final we are season end you know. And I go on pitch ball. And then I made it. I could buy it. Yes, we are not otifie.
Okay. Akomia.
Yo, Vano, I mean, me comment on the Kotoko Bernard game. No say. I think it's just a preparatory match. Coach, you know, any team. So such games it happens. The Real Madrid and then say only a call on one boy. We players at Madrid could turn his animal, but then it happens. And you know, supporters, no, they should calm down. I don't want to believe say we a bit deviate or more focus. They know what they are about. The only I worry I make can say Kotoko transfer actions na yenim. The incomings no more beba any the targeted players are we expecting because in elsewhere no. The team no be team active in the transfer market. Both the player we another that to be obi omo di ho nkomo they no panam the Real Madrid example say Madrid uchimu say your more the count of players ni bi. And it's omo je obi kwan they know what they are the bottom the shim. And the man did there now also road with there no more can you see the point. So you see them say they are active in the transfer market. But Kotoko they are much more silent. The Kotoko person you know silent. It will be a supporter or agitation, you know, is coming from that angle. You see the point. They know that these players, a lot of them, yes, they are not up to that level of open. But him for neighbor come home. Then I hear. And then when the team is silent, and also a critique that level of you know will be a
communication as
you know. So maybe we have to wait for the second part of IFN's preseason. You know. Now, yeah, the players are back home because I'm up to date. Zaki, there are some players somewhere just for Kotoko. I don't get it. To be honest with you, what how level one person any players we are meeting say justify. I don't get it. Player BT a Premier League former not bench or movie. You see the point? Now, your man opportunity obey. There should be a selected few be if you say we mudi e be atia ba ye be so mbehwe. It shouldn't be that normal obiatin be justify ni bi. Wa say you want players na bo Kotoko ne no yesi binye. They no bo Premier League for example nations or no relegation team player no not what or bench. Nah, what always time wasting. You see? But then you give them more the benefit of the doubt to say a lot of people is also thinking about the timing no time no and such transfer you transfer with the August when you close somewhere 20 something okay August in yesima so if somebody commerce here now boils down to the communication na and Kotoko too silent and that's the direction the team person one say over say any communicate to the play the masses. This is what we want to do. yen ko market yen to e be say yes e be say people after you nim say this year no say yen kwaji league kra na yenim say e build bibi e be say bibi but what's a absolute silence no say yakọ training na ka tinkla me wa tinkla no the media is hyping him obi afisa is that top notch anawaba men's about top notch na still an man na e koso on aya you be forced to pass a comment or two. I don't begrudge the supporters so much, but management no some insight into what some supporters knew. Kotoko no noted for almost supporters almost training and that stuff. Kwa no di ba. Kakra kwa yen ko hebo no. Some of the influence the public. No be this no. Plus the media and the back home.